I got one more thing I want to show you before we wrap up the show, and this is BioAir. We've got to talk about getting some humidity into our air, especially in these brutal, brutal cold winters. So we've got that. It's a brand new item, and you'll see it just around the corner.
Football fans, let's get ready because the big game is right around the corner. So if you want to entertain in style, this is how you do it here at HSN. We've got everything you need. If you want some fun games, maybe the grill, how about the perfect ball game buffet? Oh yeah, we've got it. No matter if you're sharing in the stands or you're doing it from the couch, hey, we've got a few armchair quarterbacks in the house. We can do all your shopping right here because I'm telling you, on hsn.com, put in keyword game day entertaining, unique officially licensed merchandise, accessories, apparel, we've got it all. Brand names. Oh, speaking of the game, how about a big screen TV to watch the big game? You can enjoy it on FlexPay. So you pay over time, and it's really for everyone. It's not layaway because you get it now. All right, this is how you get in on the fun. All right, cheer on your favorite team. Watch this. Watch my passing skills as we get ready for the big game. Ready? Okay, here we go. Go long. Touchdown, baby. Yes.
Get more out of your HSN shopping experience with the exclusive HSN card or HSN MasterCard. Apply now, and if you're approved, save $10 off your purchase today. Enjoy big benefits and special access. Exclusive extra flex offers. Special VIP financing. And special offers and discounts. All with no annual fee. Become an HSN insider and start saving today.
You're watching HSN. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Suzanne Runyon. Well, we have a brand new item that we're launching tonight. It's not been on the air before, and I think the timing is really critical. Because right now, what happens when the air is so freezing cold is your skin crawling. Does it feel like all the moisture in the air has been sucked out of it? Well, that's the problem with this time of year. How do you put that moisture back in, and how do you get it at the perfect levels so it's great for you, so that your skin feels like it's moist and beautiful, so that your nasal passages feel moist and not dry and cracked and hard? Well, you get a humidifier, and we've got one, and it's from BioAir. This is brand new. It's brilliant technology. It is easy to use, and we're going to explain to you what it does because I've got dear Matt joining me. Hello, Matt, and welcome back.
Hi, Suzanne. How are you?
This time of year, can I tell you, if there's no moisture in the air, your skin craws. Like craws. Like
absolutely.
It feels dry, like you just want to scratch it and scratch it and
scratch it. It's that time of the year,
yeah,
isn't it?
Sure
I mean, we have the cold air. It's like invading our home, taking away all the heat, just but it also takes away that moisture. And it's so important to have that level of moisture in the air that we breathe. I mean, we are wonderfully created, but our bodies are mostly water, and that goes for our skin, our sinus passages. You wake up with that scratchy, dry throat, and I'll tell you what, you want a solution that is going to get the job done instantaneously for you and your family. Look no further. The Bionaire Warm Cool Ultrasonic Humidifier. I just turned mine on, and take a look at all of the beautiful, beautiful ultrasonic humidification coming out. This is a cool steam. You can see that cool steam. I can hold my hand over it. It has no problem whatsoever. It's also not damp. It's not spitting like some of the old-fashioned humidifiers. This is the latest and greatest technology from the folks at Bionaire. They are your pure living experts. They're the ones that bring you all the great technology. Take a look at this unit. First of all, look at this. This is like 12 inches or 15 inches of beautiful steam coming out of there. It looks like steam. It's the ultrasonic steam, the ultrasonic mist. Take a look at the controls here. I want to show you. They've thought of everything with this unit. First of all, this is a warm and cool humidifier, so you don't have to choose. You can switch it from warm to cool. And you can see on our beautiful LED display here, you can decide, do you want cool mist or do you want warm mist? It's completely
Why would you want
up to
one
you.
or the other?
Warm mist is like a vaporizer. For example, you know, if you have kids or if you've ever had, you're suffering from the flu, again, we're not going to treat or cure that.
Sure.
we can help to relieve those symptoms. So you like that nice warm mist that penetrates those mucous membranes that are so clogged up in your nose and that type of thing. So some people love the warm mist. Now you don't have to choose warm or cool. You get it all in this beautiful unit. The ultrasonic controls inside are great. We'll talk about those more in a moment. You've got 2-speed fans, so you can go to speed 1 or speed 2, completely up to you. You can see this beautiful number here. That number tells you, that's a humidistat. You don't have to go buy one separately. It tells you that you have 44% humidity in the studio right now. And then with this smart dial here, you can actually dial in what level you want. You can decide, I want the humidity to be at 40, if you want the humidity for some reason to be at 40%, you can see my unit automatically shut off at 40%. When I turn it up, because it's at 46, exactly.
It can sense when the room has the perfect amount of humidity.
That's exactly right. And you can customize it. You can personalize it. You can turn it all the way up to 60% humidity, or if you just want it to be on and to be running, there you set it on the on setting, and there it goes. It's got so many more features involved. I just want to quickly show you the Comfort Select features. These are actually 5 presets that are built in. You can press Comfort Select, and you can decide, do you want the comfort setting? Do you want the dry skin setting? Do you want the nose and throat setting? Allergy setting, because it also helps with allergies, cold and flu setting. You can set it to whichever one of those settings you want, and it'll automatically pick the best way to do it, the right type of mist to use for you. And it's got all of this built in.
Gosh,
what I like to do,
smart.
I like to, frankly, at the end of the day, I like to just turn it on, turn it up to high, let it fill your room with that beautiful ultrasonic. Let me quickly say what ultrasonic is if you're wondering, what does that mean? It is a small disc inside that vibrates over 1 million times a second. I know that's a lot. It vibrates 1 million times a second. It atomizes that moisture. It atomizes the water that you put in the back. And it actually makes this beautiful ultrasonic mist. You can see the mist coming out, but it's not going to be it's not going to spit. It's not going to make any kind of mess around the house. It's a beautiful top-of-the-line, creme de la creme from Bionaire. I love it.
Well, I think what's really fascinating about that is, remember I said the first thing I said was, and I think we can all relate to, is your skin just feels like it's sucked dry of any moisture.
Absolutely.
And so isn't that fascinating that they know the conditions that we need a humidifier for, and they make it so simple. You say, is my skin dry? Boom. I'm going to hit it, and I'm going to forget about it and let it just do its thing. Do I have allergy issues? Boom, I can hit that. We're in the cold and flu season. If you have someone in your home who has a cold and flu, you hit that. So I think that's fascinating, because who knew? Like, I don't know how much humidity needs to be in a room if I'm dry skin versus having a cold or flu.
And it gives you all those benefits. Right.
Yeah.
And you can decide how you want to set it. Again, you can use those presets, or you can say, listen, I know what I want, and right now I am so dry. If you're waking up, and it's not pretty to talk about it, but let's face it, if you've got the bloody nose in the morning, and you wake up with that super dry mouth and super dry bronchioles, even all the way down into your lungs, and you can just feel it. If your skin is dry and itchy, and so many people are putting so much lotion on this time of year, and I do too, and we all use it. But at the end of the day, it's about the humidity in your home. Did you know, we were talking before the show, that deserts, I mean, if you go out to Las Vegas, or you go out and live in Arizona, or if you're visiting, they have down to 25% humidity. That's an extremely low humidity. You generally want your humidity to be between 50, 60, 70%. But our homes, this time of the year, when you turn that heat on, it sucks all that humidity out. You actually can get your home down to 15% humidity. No wonder you're uncomfortable.
No wonder
your skin's so dry.
Honest to goodness story. My brother just arrived from Ohio yesterday, and we were out today, and I looked, he was wearing shorts, and I said, what's wrong with your legs? And he says, Suze, they're itching so bad. They're so dry. He has been digging his legs because they itch so bad to where he's creating marks on his legs, right?
And it cracks the skin.
And I said to him, I said, Chip, are you drinking enough water? Because clearly his skin is screaming, but he's from Ohio.
Exactly.
And right now the temperature's been down, below zero. And they got the heat crank. And so my brother Chip, you might need a humidifier in your home. But I said, you got to do lotion or drink water or something, boy. And I'll tell you what's really interesting, how we really know it. I've gone to Las Vegas. Here in Florida, we have a lot of humidity. So, but when I've been to Las Vegas, you know what starts happening instantly when I'm out there? Bloody nose.
Yep.
I get a bloody nose every time.
I know,
when I'm
too.
in Vegas, it is that it's so lacking of, and you have to get used to it, but my skin
And we're used to being underwater here.
Yes, I mean, we have so much humidity that it's like overwhelming at times. But that's how you know how important humidity and lack of is.
That's right.
And like if you live in Florida or if you're up north and you come down here and you can feel the humidity and your skin starts to feel better, your hair looks a little bit better because it's all about moisture.
That's right.
And I think this is a brilliant way to be able to get that in your home.
This is a way.
Oh, wait, can you explain care and how much water you have to use and all that kind of stuff?
I want to show you real quick. I'll show you real quickly how easy. First of all, this is a tiny unit. You look at this is going to give a medium to large size room. It's going to take care of your humidification needs for up to 24 hours. Okay. Now I want to show you on the back on one tank. Okay. Take a look at the back. The tank pops off easily. I love this. This is Bionaire. This is the folks that know how to make products that people want. Look at the size of that opening. Can you see that? You put that underneath the tap. You fill that up. You put the cap back on. Now, I know you're wondering about care and you're wondering about cleanup and things like that. All you're going to do is what we recommend is once a week, fill this up with part water, part vinegar. Just let it sit for about 20 minutes, and it cleans all the internal parts. It takes all the scale away. So this is going to last years and years. 3-year limited warranty on this. This has the ultrasonic disc built inside. It also, by the way, has UV protection. UV protection that is really great. What that does is it actually shines on the water itself that's in the tank. That UV will help to destroy the bacteria. 99.9% of that bacteria is gone. So you're not putting anything. If you've had the old-fashioned ones, where first of all you have to wait for it to boil, and it boils the water, you've got scalding hot steam coming out. You don't need that in your house. It's not safe. This is the safe unit. This is the unit that gives you cool mist, warm mist when you want it, and it does it with ultrasonic technology. Only from the folks at Bionaire.
You know, something else is a sign that you have really, really dry air is if your wood in your home, like your wood furniture is cracking or it looks thirsty. That's actually a really good sign.
That's exactly right.
And what happens is if you have really, really dry air, it actually accelerates the destroying of your wood furniture faster than if you have humidity.
Even the upholstery, everything.
Your upholstery, everything.
I mean, think about that. We're talking about, and people do that. They buy humidifiers for their wood furniture and things like that. How about us? How about our skin? I mean, the largest organ in the human body is your skin. Take care of your skin. Get the humidity correct in your home. I mean, if you've got that itchy, dry skin, and we all have it, and I'm over 50, and my skin is feels like it's starting to kind of get thinner, if you know what I mean. But when you use the right, we talk about drinking the right amount of water throughout the day. This is also being absorbed through your skin. When you're in a home or you're in the desert, and it's so dry that you can't, you feel it in your mouth, you feel it in your sinuses. Again, if you have cold or flu in your house, again, we're not going to solve it or cure it. We're going to make you feel a lot better. You're going to be able to get a humidifier home that's going to make you and your family feel better. You're going to turn it on, plug it in, push one button. Again, I want to show you this. Take a look. If we could get a shot, I just want to take this. I want to push this one button, turn it off. Now watch. Watch how fast this turns on. Now, if we can get a shot up here, I want you guys to see how instantaneously we get, boom. That's it, the ultrasonic humidification.
You know, another reason why you need this, if you have a lot of static electricity.
Absolutely
How many times do you scooch around your carpet in the wintertime especially?
If your pets are running away from you, that's a bad sign.
Or your kids are like, Mommy, don't touch me. You know how you go to grab a kid or something and you shock them.
That's right.
And that is because it's dry in the air and it creates static electricity. You get this at home. So if you really do have that issue, and especially in the wintertime, that's another sign that you do not have enough humidity inside your home.